Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, March 31st, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I said yesterday that I thought this nearly 300-point rally that we had yesterday, that something felt kind of phony about it, and I predicted that the Dow would reverse itself today, and it certainly did reverse itself. It gave back a total of 200 of those nearly 300 points gain. We're back down here between the two lower red lines. I would say, based on this action, that the odds favor the Dow coming down and possibly even testing the floor area again. I'm not absolutely sure. I mean, it could go into consolidation here, or we could have a little pop-up from where we closed today, but it's certainly, it's closing almost on its low, and it just didn't have a lot of strength. So it's not real comfortable up here, obviously, and it sold off 200 points today. Anyway, we are still managing to get through this fairly unscathed, although it's a little bit unnerving. We had about $5,000 in open trade on the close yesterday. By the time we closed out, we only closed out with positive $1,600. A lot of those positions we had just, they basically got worse, which is what you would expect when you see this kind of action on the first 15 minutes of the day. The market was very weak today. Then the other thing that was curious, though, while this Dow is doing this 200 points down, we managed to get into 7 positions, and that's quite a few considering a falling market. And to top it off, 6 of those 7 positions are negative, but we still made money today. We're holding about $2,000 in open trade equity, so that's pretty good. So I'm happy about that. But it was all because of one position, and I will show that to you in a second. Anyway, let's look at our trades here. We have a bunch of them on the first page here. This first one is an Ambarilla. This we closed out. Beautiful trade. We got in here yesterday. We got out there close to the high. $3,500 in Ambarilla. Very nice. Then we got closed out Sempra. Again, we bought this 2 days ago. Got out not on the high tick of the day, but the high bar of the day, and we took $3,000 out of Sempra. Very, very nice. Now you think everything's nice. I'll show you what's not nice. This is ISIS Pharmaceuticals. We bought that today, almost a high tick a day, and then we just got whipsawed to death, and we're holding near an over negative $3,000 in ISIS. So that was a very bad trade. But if you want to see what offsets this is the hero of the day, China Cash International Holdings. Wow, we bought this thing about the second hour of the day, and it just keep going. Look at the shape of that line. I mean, just perfect lineup, and we are holding over, or not, just short of $8,000 in open trade equity, and it's because of this single market that we're doing really well today. And you've heard me say again and again, you know, we make the majority of our profits out of a very small percentage of our trades, and that's why we got to take all those trades. We get one of these once in a while, and it really makes our day. Anyway, we made some money today. Let's face it, you know, the Dow went down 200 points. It could have been a disaster. It wasn't a disaster. We made some money. So, good day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.